So we've got an Astra K here, and somebody's fitted headlight bulbs to it. It's just failed the MOT because the beam pattern was incorrect. Now, I spoke to the customer, and funnily enough, last night she went to a local motor factors, who I'm not going to name, begins with H and ends with Fords, and had 2 bulbs fitted. Now, I'm doing this video just to show you how exactly the clips should sit on the back of the bulb to hold it in place. This isn't a how to change the bulb video, but it is here to help anybody who might be caught out. Now there we are, we just focus in, and what you can see is at the bottom the 2 hinges go inwards and across, so they hinge from the very bottom. I can't get my finger in there, but I'll just show you with a pen if I can. So there they go in and then along, so they hinge, and the bulb has a tag on it which I'll show you in a second, and that goes to the bottom, and then you fold in the top of the clip like so. So hopefully you'll find that helpful, and I'll show you the tag on the bulb that I'm talking about. So there's the H7 bulb for the dip beam, and that tag at the bottom there, that goes to the bottom of the holder. Hopefully this is helping someone who's come across the same problem we have, because it's a right fiddle to do, and some absolute knobhead messed this up. So that tag goes to the bottom of the headlight holder, and if you don't know how to fit headlight bulbs, don't pretend you do. Get somebody through them who knows what they're doing. Oh yeah, and I also found the cover for the headlight just sitting here, just there, whereas it should have been obviously on the back of the headlight. Absolute numpties.